You can save your OneNote file in different file formats, and in order to export it in different file formats, you can simply go over to the file menu right here and you can go to export. So once you go to export, you have an option whether to export just a page, a section, or the entire notebook, as you can see right here. So if I were to go back, you can see that there are sections right here. And if I were to select this, so I select Maya, I'm gonna hold shift and select till Maya right here. Once I do that, I can go here in the file, and if I were to export this, it'll export those pages right there. If I were to select section, it'll export the entire section. So let us try exporting one document out. So I'm just going to select all 4 of these. I'm going to go into file. I'm going to say export. I'm just going to select page, and let's export it as a Word document. So if I were to press export, the file opens. And now I'm going to select my desktop. I'm going to press save. So it saved the document right there. It's processing, and the file will appear on my desktop as maya.docs, as you can see. So once I open that out, you can see that all of my notes are here for Maya and Maya. As you can see right here, inside my note, I selected from Maya, Illustrator, Autodesk, and then finally Maya. Then I have all of the files right here, as you can see. So now you can also export this as an uneditable file, and in order to do that, you can use PDF or XPS. In order to do that, let me just go to Maya right here. I'm going to export this piece right here. I'm going to go to file, and this time I want to export an entire section maybe, and I'm going to select PDF, which is a universal file format for uneditable document. So I'm gonna select this, I'm gonna press export, and on my desktop I'm just going to press save. So it is going to export my PDF, as you can see right here, onto my desktop. And once I minimize it, you can see that the lessons is there. I'm going to open this out, and you can see that all of my documents are actually here, just like that. Everything, all the sections right here. So that is how you can export different file formats in Microsoft OneNote. There are also other file formats. Once you press export, you can see that there's OneNote, so you can export this as a OneNote file. You can export this as a Word file or an old Word file, that's just DOC, PDF, which is the universal file format for uneditable content, and XPS, the Microsoft version of PDF-like content. Also, single page web page format. So if you're sending it to a different system, you may want to consider using this. You can also select section, and you have the same option right here. And in the notebook, you can also export the entire notebook as a PDF, XPS, as the web page file, or a OneNote package. So that is how you can export the OneNote notes in different file formats. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.